making diamonds from dust, saving all the best ones for us. Now we're making diamonds from dust, but we don't need it. We don't need it. We got us. But we don't need it. We got us.
Hello?
Petey!
Come on.
I don't think he's a dentist.
We've been working on this for a while. It's an anti-gravity serum. I meant to close that. He'll be alright, I'm sure.
Do the effects wear off?
So far, no they don't. And here, of course, is the new gadget you ordered.
No. I said dart gun, not okay.
Oh, yes, because I was wondering under what circumstances we would use this. But anyways, what I really wanted to show you was this.
Now those are cookie robots.
La 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 la, I love unicorns.
What are you doing here? I told you to stay in the kitchen. We got bored. What is this place?